Hello, in this video I will show you how to get FuboTV free trial. Now it's an extremely easy process, so what you have to do is just simply open your browser and just simply search for FuboTV. Now wait for a few seconds and you should find your FuboTV over here. Now you will find the option called Start Free Trial. Choose this option. Now just simply wait for a few seconds right over here. Then just simply click on Next. Then enter your details right over here like email address and password and the zip code. So after doing all of that, just simply click on Continue. Then the next thing that you have to do is just simply click on Next and choose a plan. So if you're only going to use the free trial, you can use the best plan over here, which is going to be Premier. Now, just simply choose that and click on Continue. Then click on Next. And over here, just simply add any type of payment method. You don't have to pay anything. Just simply add a card. That's it. And once you will do that, as you can see, you will be paying $0 for the first day. But after the trial is over, you will need to pay this much, as you can see. But before the trial is over, you can just simply cancel your subscription and you will be good to go. So just simply add your name, card and zip code. And then click on Start Free Trial right over here. And then you will be able to watch FuboTV as long as the free trial allows you to. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.